How do we make a chatbot? Specifically, how do we make a chatbot that would help prospective parents coming to visit BBIS? I'm a parent. Probably the first thing I'm going to do is look at the website, bbis.hu, and then I'm going to ask some questions. I don't know, how big are the class sizes? What curriculum do you teach? Where are you located? Etc. So how do we do that? Let's begin. First, go to cloud.ibm and log in. So let's search for a chatbot. Let's see what we find. It doesn't say chatbot, but it says what's an assistant, and I know that's the same thing. Now just some small details about where I am. There's no Budapest option, so just choose London. Pricing plan, I don't want to pay $120, so I'm going to choose free, and I'm going to call mine BBIS Assistant. Okay, create. Yeah, this is me. Launch the tool. Okay, so it says I have to create intents. So intents are the statements that the user will type, like questions basically. So let's put some questions in. So you should have already created yourself a set of potential questions that your user will type. In my case, I've got my questions here. Where is BBIS located? How can I contact BBIS? What is the curriculum at BBIS, etc. So make sure you already have your list of questions and answers. So the first one, let's have a look. We're talking about the location. So I'm going to call my first intent location. I don't need a description, but I do need an example of a question that could be asked. Okay, where is BBIS located? Let's add some more. What next? Contact. How can I contact BBIS? So let's call this next intent contact. What kind of question could be asked? Something like this. Let's put another one. How about, what is the curriculum at BBIS? The parent may ask that question. So let's call this intent curriculum and ask a potential question.
And let's add some more. How many students at BBIS? So let's create another one. Student numbers. Let's ask two more questions. How big are the class sizes? So let's put class sizes. And then something about sports. What sports do you offer? Let's call this intent sports. And my question.
Okay, now I've just done one example per intent of a question that might be asked. Because I can't type in every single possibility, but I can start to train my assistant to understand other questions. Let's say, for example, instead of what sports do you offer, I could say, what sports do you do? Okay, let's try some more. Contact. Maybe if I type in, what is the address? What is your email? What is your telephone number? So I'm training my assistant to recognize different questions. Okay, so I've got the questions, and now I need the answers, right? So I need to create a dialogue, a conversation. So let's go to dialogue. So I have my welcome, and as soon as my chatbot opens, what's going to happen is it's going to say, hello, how can I help you? I might change that to say, hello, I am the BBIS chatbot, how can I help you? That sounds good to me. All right, so let's add some conversation. So if I click add node, it goes underneath the node above, the welcome node. So let me put something about where is BBIS located. So let's call this location. If a system recognizes, you need to do the hash sign and then choose the entity you created and then give an answer. So in this case, let's put the answer here. Okay, great. Let's do another one. So add another node. This one we'll call, I don't know, curriculum. And the entity we created was called curriculum. And what should be the answer to the question be? This answer here. All right, let's add another one.
This one I'll call sports. When it recognises the sports question, the answer is going to be this one. So it's important to have all your questions and answers all ready before you begin this. Let's do a couple more to finish. Did I do contacts? I don't think I did. So, contacts. And there's my answer. Anyone? Let's just do how big are the class sizes. Call this class size.
All right, I think we're ready to try it. Let's give it a try. So now when I click on the try it, let's see what it says. Hello, I am the BBIS chatbot. How can I help you? Oh. How can I contact the school? You can call this number or email office@bbis.hu. Wow, how clever is that? What sports do you offer? We take advantage of the local sports facility, Mom Sports. You see, I don't have to ask the same question. Watson's really, really intelligent. I can use slightly different words and it should understand. Let's try another one. Let's just say, what sports are at BBIS? Let's see what happens. See, it's clever. It understands, right? What else did we have? What about class sizes? Okay, so what are the class sizes? We have a maximum of 16 students. Whoa, this is amazing. Let's try one more question. How much does BBIS cost? I didn't understand. Why do you think it didn't understand? Because I haven't programmed it yet. Okay, you need to put the effort in at the beginning. But then in time, Watson's so clever, it starts to learn. It uses something called machine learning. And then it becomes a really nice looking assistant. Check this out. Hello. Hello. Where are you located? Pretty impressive, I think. Let me try one more thing though, because if I do hello, nothing happens, right? But we can cheat a little bit. All right, so let's go. Let's do a little bit of cheating. All right, there is a catalog that's already been made for us. So if I go into the catalog and I look for general, right? I've got things like hello, goodbye, etc. So I can add this, all right? So I'm going to add this to my assistant. Now if I go back to my assistant, okay, now if I go to my dialog, and then after welcome, I'm going to add something after welcome, and I'm going to call this greetings. If the system recognizes greetings, you're going to like this one, general greetings. Whatever the user writes, howdy, good day, good afternoon, Watson's clever, it knows it's a greeting. It can say, hi, pleased, I am pleased you have started a conversation with me. How can I help? Should we give it a try? So, let's try howdy. Hi, I'm pleased you've started a conversation with me. How can I help? Let's try hello. Hi, I'm pleased. So you can even import already made intents. All right, good luck. Try it yourself.